Hello everyone. Today we
Satvik,
Himanshu Ranjan.
and me Aman of class 12th of Air Force Senior Secondary School, and we would like to explain the working of optical fiber cables. Optical fibers. The cable which carry most of the world's data are optical fiber cable. They are also used in medical equipments. Let us see how optical cable work. Optical fibers are made up of thousands of fiber strands, and a single fiber strand is thin as human hair. Optical fibers carry information in the form of light. To explain the working of optical fiber, first understand the fundamental behavior of light. Have you ever wondered why pencil looks bent in the glass of water? This is due to the phenomena called refraction. When light passes through the prism, light gets bent, and this phenomena is known as refraction. Refraction takes place when the light passes from a medium with one refractive index to one with another refractive index. Refraction is the reason why pencil looks bent. What is critical angle? When the light rays passes from rarer medium to denser medium, the rays bend towards the normal, and when the rays passes from the denser medium to rarer medium, the rays bends away from the normal. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called angle of refraction. When the light rays travel from higher density to lower density in different angles, the refracted ray bends from the normal, and the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. When the angle of incidence increases, angle of refraction also increases. At a point, the refracted ray takes the path along the water surface, and the angle of refraction is less than 90 degree. If you increase the angle of incidence, angle of refraction increases, and we get a point when angle of refraction is 90 degree. This angle of incidence is in denser medium is called critical angle. Total internal reflection. The total internal reflection is the complete reflection of light through a more dense medium to a less dense medium. This phenomena of total internal reflection is used in optical fiber cable to transmit the light. Now I am showing you an experiment to demonstrate the total internal reflection, and we can see the incident ray go straight. As I keep bending it, you can see the light bends. This is after the critical angle, and this is the total internal reflection. Critical angle. The angle of incidence beyond which the rays of light passing through the denser medium to the surface of a less dense medium are no longer refracted but totally reflected. Working of optical fiber. This is the simplest form of optical fiber. If a laser strikes at interface at an angle greater than the critical angle, the total internal reflection will happen and the light will reach the other end. This means light can be confined in the optical fiber over a longer distance, no matter what is shape of the fiber forms. Remember, total internal reflection happens between high refractive index glass and low refractive index air. So, an optical fiber has three main parts: a core, a cladding, and a protective coating. The core is optically denser than cladding. When light ray strikes one end of optical fiber at small angle of incidence, the light ray refracts and enters the core. Refracted ray then strikes the core cladding interface at an angle greater than the core cladding. Critical angle, therefore, the light rays undergoes to total internal reflection. So, in an optical fiber, transmission of light occurs through the core only. The main purpose of cladding is to reflect the light to the core.
Advantages of optical fiber: greater bandwidth and faster speed. Optical fiber cables support extremely high bandwidth and speed. The large amount of information that can be transmitted per unit of optical fiber cable is most significant advantage. First, cheap. Long continuous miles of optical fiber cable can be made cheaper than the equivalent length of the copper wire, with numerous vendors shown to compete for the market share. Optical cable price would sure to drop. Second, thinner and light-weighted. Optical fiber is thinner and can be drawn to a smaller diameter than the copper wire. They are a smaller size and light-weighted than a comparable copper wire cable, offering a better fit for the places where space is concerned. Third, higher carrying capacity. Because optical fibers are much thinner than the copper wires, more fibers can be bundled into a given diameter cable. This allows more phone lines to go over the same cable or more channels to come through the cable into your cable TV box. Fourth, less signal degradation. The loss of signal in optical fiber is less than in the copper wire. Fifth, light signals. Unlike electrical signals transmitted in a copper wire, light signals from one fiber do not interface with those of the other fiber in the same fiber cable. This means clear phone conversation or TV reception. Sixth, long lifespan. Optical fibers usually have a long life cycle for over hundreds of years.
Disadvantages of optical fiber. First, low power. Light emitting sources are limited to low power, although high power emitters are available to improve power supply. It would add extra cost. Second, fragility. Optical fiber is rather fragile and more vulnerable to damage compared to copper wires. You did better not to twist or bend fiber optic cables too tightly. Third, distance. The distance between the transmitter and receiver should be short or repeaters are needed to boost the signal. Fourth, expensive to install. The optical fibers are more expensive to install and they have to be installed by the specialists. They are not as robust as the wires. Special test equipment is often required to the optical fiber. Fifth, cannot be curved. The transmission of the optical fiber requires repeating at distance intervals. The fibers can be broken or have transmission losses when wrapped around curves of only a few centimeters radius. Sixth, difficult to splice. The optical fibers are difficult to splice and there are loss of light in the fiber due to scattering. They have limited physical arc of cables. If you bend them too much, they will break.